Welcome back to our gardening and farming channel where we explore the fascinating world of living organisms. Today we're thrilled to introduce to you hairy wood mint, a captivating plant with a rich history and unique characteristics. Join us as we dive into this remarkable species. Hairy wood mint has a fascinating history deeply rooted in traditional herbal medicine. This native North American plant has been used for centuries by indigenous cultures for its medicinal properties, and its popularity has endured through generations. Hairy wood mint is a herbaceous perennial plant that boasts attractive lance-shaped leaves with subtle fuzziness, giving it its distinctive appearance. Its charming clusters of delicate lavender to purple flowers add a splash of color to any garden landscape. This plant is not only visually appealing but also attracts pollinators such as bees and butterflies. Hairy wood mint thrives in well-drained soil and prefers a location with partial shade to full sun. It is adaptable to a variety of soil types and can withstand moderate drought conditions. This hardy plant is native to woodland areas, making it an excellent choice for shade gardens or naturalized landscapes. Hairy wood mint is a beneficial companion plant in the garden. Its aromatic foliage helps repel certain pests, making it a natural pest control option. Additionally, it attracts beneficial insects like bees and butterflies, contributing to a healthy and balanced ecosystem in your garden. Hairy wood mint also has a wide range of uses, both in traditional herbal medicine and culinary applications. It has been historically used to treat various ailments including respiratory issues and digestive problems. Some people also enjoy using the leaves to infuse teas or as a flavorful addition to salads and other culinary creations. And there you have it, a closer look at the captivating hairy wood mint. Its unique characteristics, beautiful flowers, and versatile uses make it a valuable addition to any garden or herbal collection. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing plant profiles. Thank you for watching and happy gardening.